so confused by this family dynamic. Oh! Still not liking this. Leave him alone. Hey everyone, it's Megan and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today we are watching The Vampire Diaries, Season 3, Episode 14. And what happened last time was pretty crazy. So Elijah's been reunited with his family, his siblings, and even his mother, who he thought was going to kill him, but actually forgave him. So weird. Caroline's father died after being killed and with vampire blood in him, so he made the decision to not become a vampire but to die instead. And then Alaric was the newest council member to be killed or stabbed, but of course Elena ended up killing him so that way he would come back to life. So still unsure of who's doing it and what's happening. But they know it's not Meredith, but for some odd reason, the person is using Elena and Alaric's weapons. So, very, very confusing. So yeah, I can't wait to find out what happens next. Especially with Klaus and his family. Also, I'm also very interested into finding out more about his two brothers that we have only just met recently. So yeah, before we get into the episode, if you are enjoying my content, please be sure to subscribe. If you have anything you want to say about the episode or the reaction, please comment down below. Please keep it spoiler free. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and let's get into it.
Close she and her dad used to be. Any word on who's behind all these attacks?
No. Sheriff Forbes said that there's no real suspects at all.
There might be a suspect.
You keep getting dragged into all this. Thank you for everything today. Really.
Get home safe.
Thanks.
You too, Matt. But I feel like something's gonna happen to one of them. It's more or less looking like it's gonna be Elena. She definitely hit something, and now they're gone. Oh, look!
Drive much?
It's Rebecca.
Surprise! You drove a dagger through my back, Elena. It hurt. Elijah.
But Elijah won't let it happen.
Are you challenging me?
You're pathetic. Both of you.
I mean, she knew.
Well,
She knew that would happen.
believe we have little catching up to do.
A little bit more than...
It was their mother, Esther. Look, Elijah promised me that his family wouldn't hurt any of us. I believe him.
And why do you believe him? He backstabbed you the last time. Now look. An invitation?
Enough! Nicholas. Come.
I'm so confused by this family dynamic right now. And I think I'm pronouncing his name wrong.
Before she tried to ruin my life. What happened to peace? Acceptance. Family.
You put daggers in their hearts. You want them to go down on their knees and kiss your feet for reuniting them?
So it's a crime to want our family to be as we were.
You need to give it time, Nicholas. I've had 1,000 years on the other side to be angry and to heal. I'm here to make sure this family does the same.
I just don't understand. I killed you and still you forgive me.
Yeah, I don't understand that either.
It's been
I think there's more to this than just some family reunion.
Can we go back in time to the old
Yeah.
stuff you cared if Elena lived or died?
Before, it's your job now.
I kind of side with Stefan that I think there's something else going on.
I should find out what she wants.
You can't protect yourself.
Okay, fine, then I'll go.
Pissed off enough originals to last a lifetime. I'll go.
Hey,
End of story.
Doesn't she get a say on who goes with her?
Caroline, it's Tyler. I know I should have called sooner. I just kind of freaked out and left. But I heard about your dad, and I'm
Oh,
sorry.
he left town.
I'm really sorry, Caroline.
Well, I can understand that after what
I'm not doing
happened
what he said.
between him
I'm
and
going to fix myself and come home to you.
her
I love
father. Oh, Klaus wants to take Caroline. Don't do it, Caroline! Oh, but that is kind of pretty. Yeah, no.
it's all so weird. The originals are throwing a ball. Like, they're the saboteurs right now. Whatever Stefan's feeling, he's channeling it all against Klaus and Damon. It's just not a good idea.
Why?
No,
Because
it's
you two
not.
made out? Bonnie spilled the beans.
Oh,
I
of
was
course
gonna
Bonnie
tell
did.
you. Just after everything happened with your dad.
Elena, when you and Matt kissed for the first time freshman year, you called me the second it happened. I don't hear about this until now? From somebody else?
I'm sorry. It's just, I don't even know how I feel about it yet. All I do know is that
A lot has changed
it's
since.
so much easier.
Careful, Caroline. It's all well and good till she stabs you in the back.
What are you doing here? I know your mom's rules and no murdering the locals.
Get over yourself, Elena. It's not all about you.
Ha. Oh, she's
God.
inviting Matt.
She's inviting him to the ball. Why is she inviting him?
Probably to get this reaction from us.
Well, he was supposed to be her date to
Pretend it's a
homecoming.
stupid dance.
the oldest, deadliest family of vampires moves into your town. You welcome them with a smile.
Oh, do you?
Well, at least you know who you're borrowing that cup of sugar from. I've met a lot of people. And you don't particularly stand out.
Interesting.
Shall we?
I'm sorry, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. This is just so awkward. This is going to end badly, I'm sure. Oh, she's trying to figure out something else to wear. Guess she doesn't want to wear the dress that Klaus gave her.
We need to be alone.
If everyone could gather, please.
Excuse me.
Welcome. Thank you for joining us.
He's someone that I've never heard of.
You know,
The other one I've heard of, but definitely
brings our
not
family
Finn.
together like this. It's tradition. It would be rude not to dance, you know.
Yeah, well, she's trying to do something, and you're blocking her.
It is tradition. If Esther's secretly on our side, we need to know, but I can't get to her with 2 bodyguards.
Why are you telling
Still-
me this?
Because
They're
Damon
still
won't let me
cute.
anywhere
They're
near her
just
without
so
protection.
adorable.
And you care
Oh,
about
my
killing
stuff
Klaus
is
more than you
all
care
that.
about anything,
I know
so...
they're not endgame, but
What, am I wrong?
I'm in.
no, don't kill Matt.
Got your text.
What are we doing in here?
Oh!
Oh, better hurry up. Won't be down for long.
That's how he decides to get rid of Damon. Oh, like I said, this is gonna end badly. So badly. Though part of me thinks that Stefan wanted to do that so bad. Because he still loves Elena and pissed off that Damon is making a move on Elena. But, Stefan and Damon fighting over Elena is just going to screw everything up, I'm sure.
Of course. I'll find you later, okay?
Like, they're putting her in this position that she probably shouldn't be in.
That could be the girl.
And what are they planning?
You're alone. Wise choice.
It's only sage. I've spelled it so we can speak freely without fear of being overheard. That'll be all, Finn. Thank you. You must have a million questions for me, Elena. Please.
Yeah, like, why are you forgiving your son?
You're gonna help us kill Klaus, aren't you?
One thing at a time, Elena. For now, I simply need your help.
With? What? I'm still not liking this. Not at all.
You like horses?
Especially not with Tyler out
I'm not
of
talking to you
town.
until you tell me why you invited me here.
I fancy you. That's hard to believe.
Yes.
Why? You're beautiful. You're strong. You're full of light.
You also tried to kill her?
By Tyler.
I thought you two ended things.
Yeah, because of you and your freaky sire bond with him.
So you aren't spoken for.
Maybe so. But I let my father go with no regrets. And to answer your question, yes, I like horses. But I also like people, and they actually like me, so I'll be inside.
Oh, I like Sassy Caroline.
Its essence will be in the champagne toast later on this evening. Will you do it? Or shall I?
Like, what is she doing? Is she trying to make them human or to kill them?
I betrayed nature when I created them. It's my duty to kill them.
Wait, so is it just her family that will die? Or all vampires? Because technically, if they're the original vampires, then that means that all the other vampires are kind of vampire adjacent to the original, so very, very confused.
You sound like an idiot, Cole. Mother would kill you if you ruined her party. See you outside.
Okay, Cole is his name, but for some odd reason my brain wanted to call him
Easy,
Kai.
buddy.
Is there
I don't
another
want you doing
one?
anything stupid.
Is there another vampire named Kai?
What's happening right now? Maybe because you care too damn much.
Like I said, this is going to end badly. So badly. Oh,
So, what are we doing out here?
please don't hurt
Just taking a break
that.
from the polite chit-chat.
It's freezing. Let me get my coat.
This is your car.
Yeah. If I could compel myself a Maserati, I would. But I can't.
He's being
I'm
nice.
a vampire leader. Thanks.
He's a kind soul.
Let's go back inside. I've got all the fresh air I need.
She's backing out because he's being sweet to her. He doesn't want to do it.
So how was my mother?
Intense.
And for what reason did she need to speak with you in private? Elaine, should I be concerned about my mother's intentions?
No.
She just wanted to apologize.
All for being part of this spectacular evening. Cheers.
While drinking.
Cheers.
I don't think he drank it. I don't think he drank it. I think he made it look like it because I think he saw it in Elena's eyes that she shouldn't be trusted. I think Elijah is kind of seeing things. I think it.
So, what
Again,
did you want to show me?
with the Caroline and Klaus. Stop it.
Impressive. I take it the curators at the Louvre aren't on Vervain?
Wherever you want. Rome. Paris. Tokyo.
Oh, wow.
Stop it, Caroline.
Must be really nice to just snap your fingers and get whatever you want. Is that why you collect hybrids? A little servant army to take you places and bring you things?
You're
And
making assumptions.
snarky Caroline.
Stop controlling him. Give him his life back. How it works. You don't connect with people because you don't even try to understand them.
Snarky Caroline. I love it.
There you are.
Predictable, Rebecca.
You don't have to be rude about it. Just leave him be, okay?
And
As you wish, sister.
he won't do that.
Why not?
Clearly, Stefan doesn't give a crap anymore.
Now you're mad at me for including Stefan?
No, I'm mad at you because I love you.
Well, then stop trying to
Really?
control her. She can do things on her own. She doesn't need you to tell her what to do.
No. That's not it.
No, I got it, Elena. I care too much. I'm a liability. How ironic is that?
Have you guys seen that?
Oh god, no. Leave him alone. Leave him alone.
Good evening. Rebecca's friend. We haven't met.
Matt Donovan.
Cole Michelson.
Leave him alone.
Hey. Easy on the hand.
Guy's a quarterback.
Oh!
Are you crazy?
No, he was just trying to protect Matt.
Maybe a little. Far be it from me to cause a problem.
I mean, he did that to save Matt, so, I mean, that's not too bad. It's just bad timing of how everyone else showed up.
And I really wish you were here.
Oh, yeah, I wish he was there too, Caroline. Oh, is the bracelet back?
Seriously. Scared for Papa already.
Oh. He drew a picture of her and the horse.
No violence. That was all I asked. Rebecca and Cole disgraced our family tonight.
It won't happen again, Mother.
The link is complete. You are one.
Okay, so now what?
What was with him going after Cole?
Damon being self-destructive. I said something I didn't mean.
So did I.
We both said the same thing. Well, no, actually, you said it, and then Damon repeated it after Elena said something.
I'm not going to stop, Stefan, because I don't believe that you feel nothing.
What do you think I want to be this person? I hurt you, Elena. I bit you. I hate myself for what I did to you.
Then show it. Do something. Stefan, anything is better than trying to convince me that you don't care.
Come on, Stefan.
If I let myself care, all I feel is pain.
Stefan. Don't be like that.
I need you to leave me alone.
She was really starting to care for
Rejected
you.
by the captain of the football team. Welcome to adolescence.
Shut up, Damon. You should have killed him. Mother wouldn't let me.
Oh. Never let people tell you what to do.
Are you suggesting to her that she should kill Matt? Seriously,
Besides,
Damon?
Would have broken him in a second.
You suggesting I probably gentle?
No. I'm just saying we should find someone a little more durable. That's all.
Oh, now you're suggesting
I'll do it that way.
you two should sleep together? Sure. Goes to drown his sorrows and sleep with Rebecca. Interesting. I know it's just because that's his way of dealing with things, but Rebecca? You sure that was wise, Damon? So now it's a question of what's going to happen and how is this going to backfire. And I feel like Finn is going to be the one that dies. Like, Finn and Esther are going to be the one that die at the end of all this. Because I don't, like I said, I don't know Finn. Finn seems to be a character that I guess they didn't want, or maybe maybe he's just not as important in the originals, but he was never one that I've noticed, so I feel like Finn is... And part of me still waiting for, like, Matt to end up being a vampire, but is he gonna be, like, the only human throughout this whole series? I mean, I understand that Bonnie and Elena are human, but Elena's a doppelganger. Bonnie's a witch. Oh, and then there's Alaric, who's, you know, human as well, but Alaric has the magical ring and he's a vampire hunter, so he's the only one that, you know, has nothing supernatural about him. So I'm like, is he gonna be like the only one that like stays like that? Probably. I don't need an answer to that, so please don't answer that. But I'm definitely not okay with the Klaus and Caroline. Not at all. Damon needs to stop being so possessive and controlling. Like, you know, it's not right. It's just, you can't say it's because he's, you know, he cares about Elena and wants to make sure she's safe. It borderline's not right. So, and that gives me issues. It's like, it's one thing to try and protect her. It's another to demand that she don't do something or try and drag her away because he's trying to protect her. It's like, I don't like that. But that's personal. That's me, personally. Don't like that. So. But yeah, other than that, it's very interesting kind of getting to know the originals. But I still want to know more about Cal and Finn. Still want to know more about them. Definitely. But anyways, okay, so that was episode 14. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like. If you're enjoying my content, please be sure to subscribe. If you have anything you want to say about the episode or the reaction, please comment down below. I do post early access, full episode reactions on my Patreon. You can find it in the description below. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and until next time, bye guys.